These are the COVID-19 statistics for Richmond upon Thames. Over the last 7 days, the rate of infection in the borough stands at 248 cases per 100,000 head of population, and this equates to approximately 491 cases identified over the last 7 days. And this brings the total number of cases identified since March 2020 to 3,663. Unfortunately, over the last 7 days, a further 3 deaths have been identified within the borough, and that brings the total number of deaths linked to the virus since February 2020 to 168. Over the last 7 days, 4,818 people have been tested, and that's yielded a positive return rate on those tests of 9.5%. The discrepancy between the number of people tested, the number of cases identified, and the positive return rate is explained by people being tested more than once. If you've been following these videos, you will notice that this week's rate of infection is far higher than last week's rate. 248 cases per 100,000 compared with 103.5 cases last week. And therefore it's absolutely vital that the council steps up its response to the virus. And that's why we're rolling out the rapid lateral flow tests to those areas of the borough which are giving the greatest concern. And they are Heathfield, Hampton North and West Twickenham. We do hope to be able to roll out these tests to other areas of the borough in the coming weeks. Full details of how you can access one of these tests will follow after this message, but please be patient because we are expecting there to be a high demand. In the meantime, the most that the rest of us can do is keep following the rules with which we have become so familiar, which is washing our hands wherever possible, wearing a face mask or covering when in shops, supermarkets or similarly enclosed public spaces, and of course when we're travelling on public transport, and maintaining a social distance of at least 2 meters. And we need to make sure that we are following all of the Tier 3 guidelines with which we are now living. Full details of Tier 3 guidelines can be found on the council website. So please follow the rules, protect yourself and protect others. Thank you.